If you are facing hormonal imbalances, bloating, PMS, irregular periods, then seed cycling is one of the natural solutions that you can afford. It's very simple. What it says in seed cycling is all these problems that you are facing, like the bloating, irregular periods, or pain, cramps, and all these things happen because of hormonal imbalance. To balance your hormones, it said that during the follicular phase, that is day 1 to day 14 of your month, that time you should have 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and along with 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. And the next phase, that is your luteal phase, that is our 15th day to your 28th day or your 30th day as per your cycles. So you must have a combination of sesame seeds and sunflower seeds. Now imagine having these seeds directly, and you might not like it to have it every day on an empty stomach, right? So Ajji's Homemade has come up with a solution for your seed cycling. So what we have done is we have curated customized laddus of flax seeds and sesame seeds, which we are going to provide to you under a subscription of 3 months, right? So where we are going to send you fresh laddus for 15 days. So for example, if you subscribe it today, and you might be starting your periods in the next 2 or 3 days, or you have already started your periods, then you will be receiving a kit of 15 flaxseed and pumpkin seed laddus. And this is how the laddus look like, if you see. So the pumpkin seed is actually already ground in it along with the flaxseed, but at the same time we have also kept small pieces of pumpkin seeds along, just to add some crunch to it. Now this is not just flaxseed and pumpkin seeds in these laddus. So what you will get in the inside these laddus is you have almonds, which is a good source of vitamin E. It has dates again, which is rich in iron, and most of the issues of women which arises is because of deficiency of iron. Like I think recently you might have also seen an ad, which is and focusing on how why women should actually consume iron rich contents, right? So this to sweetening agent is the dates, and this is almonds, then there is flaxseed, and there is pumpkin. And also it's very very essential for women, like the entire body to function, to have enough fat, the healthy fat. So we have also added dry coconut in this. So this is for your first 15 days, that is for your follicular phase. For the second phase, that is the luteal phase, we have curated sesame seeds and sunflower seeds laddus. So this is how it looks like. So again, with the sesame seed, we have not added dates, but we have used your jaggery. Jaggery is again another component which actually increases the body heat. And if you look at our, olden days when our grandmothers were, using the home remedies and the way they used to treat during the puberty, so they used to give the girl who just started menstruating lot of sesame laddus, or any form of food which includes sesame. The reason for that is sesame and jaggery both together increases the body heat, and it helps in flushing out all the bad blood inside our like uterus, right? I'm sure you know the process, like why there is a lining which develops, and if there is no fertilization, then that entire lining sheds, and that is what we call it as periods, right? So try this and let me know how you feel. And once you have it for the 3 months, you will see changes in your entire body. You will feel more fresh, you will feel less bloated, your skin texture will improve, and also your periods will start getting regular. But as a point of caution, I would like to tell you, only having these laddus and not making any lifestyle changes will not help you change your entire hormonal cycles. Wait for the part 2, where I'm going to give you some simple tips of lifestyle, how you can balance your hormones along with subscribing for our seed cycling kit. Thank you.